Spirit's telling you what you need to do. You need to be listening. You're getting direct download information from Spirit.
He paints the skies, Sonoran mystic with ancient ties.
Hello, Taurus. This is Don from Sonoran Mystic Tarot. This is your weekly reading for your sign. If you have Taurus anywhere in your chart, then you have found the right place to be. This is for the week of June 9th through the 15th. Again, this is financial and investment advice. Spirit, please tell us what it is that Taurus needs to know for their highest and best interest. Here we go. First card out is the Page of Pentacles. That second card out. Let me pull this down just a little bit, Second card out is a Justice card. Third card out is a Ten of Swords. And that fourth card out is the Queen of Pentacles. On the bottom of the deck, we have the overall energy of your environment, and your environment's changed. Lots of change coming along. Lots of change happening. Taurus, the market is going to be very tumultuous this week. You're going to be, there's reports coming in, numbers coming in, certain things happening with the politicians that are just making things go crazy. So don't depend on the market energy this week. Do not ride a wave. This is not going to be a good wave. Now, if you are a day trader, man, you're sitting high and pretty. So if you're a day trader, you're loving this market because the swings are where you make your money. I get that. But if you are not somebody who's a day trader, then you're going to sit there on the sideline and say, you know what, I'm going to hold my money. I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait this out, and I'm just going to let this pass. If I lose my balance, if I make a decision and I can't control it, therefore I lose my balance, then I may wind up in a situation I don't like. And so this says wait out the storm, wait out this craziness, this chaos in the storm for the week, and do nothing. Do nothing. Let it sit. Leave it parked. Whatever your investments are, leave them parked and just watch them. Know that they're there, but they're safe. Okay? And safely tucked away as the market continues to go up and down like crazy. Now, if you're a day trader, then this is also a warning to you that this is just a crazy time for day trading. And I'm not sure that your analysis that you use will actually work well for you here. So again, if you want to come out of the week with the money that you started with, if you want to come out of it in a better situation, the best thing to do is stay out of a risky situation. Don't jump in the market, not this week. All right, down here we have a Knight of Pentacles. The Knight of Pentacles is just keep moving forward with safe investments. Stay with your strategy. The World card is here, so the World card is open up and ready for you. And again, there's all kinds of things you could do. The question is, do you want to do them? Is that what we want? Now, you are getting close because this is a Ten of Swords. You're getting close to jumping back in the market, but this week is not the week for it. So don't be surprised if by the end of the week, you're ready to take that leap and finally jump back in the market and see the money happen. And when you do, again, the world's going to deliver to you. So that's coming down the road. Otherwise, if you jump in the market this week, you're going to sit here and say, man, what have I done? Why did I do that? I knew better. And you lost your balance. Again, you lost your patience. So the patience says, sit back and wait. Sit back and wait. By the end of the week, you're ready to jump in the market. By next week, you're going to see that you're in the market and you're making money. There's a lot of stuff going on. And then that's the problem, is a lot of stuff is sending a lot of things there. And again, the market is out of your control. Everything is going, I mean, even your general rules, the rules you go by, your strategies, they're just not working right now because, again, the market is just so crazy. And these are 2 sevens. It's all over the place. When you get done here, look up the angel number 77. Type in on Google angel number 77 because that has a resonance on what we're talking about here. But most importantly, just move into a safe space. Let the market pass you this week. By the end of the week, you're going to see the market has calmed down. By next week, you're going to be able to move into positions and you're going to see a lot of happiness then. But if you don't listen to me here, you're going to be here and not happy. You're going to be very upset that you spilt the milk and you lost quite a bit. We don't want to do that. So let the market, let it blow up, let everything change. And then you come in later on and you don't have to worry about all the noise and you're going to take a benefit because, again, everybody else's minds are scattered because they lost money during this week where you kept it clean. So next week, you're going to have the money that they didn't have. All right. Let me know if this resonates with you. Hit the like, share, subscribe, and follow buttons. I would truly appreciate it. Share it out and help me grow my channel. Also help other people learn we're here so they can use this information to their advantage. If you have a company that you'd like for me to do a reading for to see if it is a good investment, please send it on to me through message and I will do a reading for that company and post it publicly and you can see what I think about that. Again, it's not what I think. I should clarify that. It's what Spirit thinks. And but I'll post that anyway. It's called Hidden Gems. It's a series that I do anyway. So with that said, love, light, and blessings for me and my family here at Enormous Terror, to you and to yours until next week. And again, have faith, keep investing, but be safe. Bye-bye.
He paints the skies, Sonoran mystic,